Fun yet?
Good. So am I.
It looks like I'll be able to load the truck on level ground, I think. I hope. Let's see. There. Get away from that tarp a little bit. Then we'll just blow this one in. Because you just don't want to sit here. There it is. Back for more. Or until we're done. Or until they get tough. Or until the field's done. Whichever one. And we got this little bit here to finish. That bit there. Then we got this over here to do. Lot to do yet. There, can you guys see any better? Oh yeah, I think you can. The farmers don't stop for nothing. Long hours, long mornings, long evenings. Sometimes don't get to bed till 1, 2 in the morning. Just depends what we're doing. Could cause for a long day. There ain't no quitting at 5 o'clock to go eat supper. Either you bull on and go with it, or you have somebody deliver you supper and keep going. Oh, I don't know. Maybe, see, it's just about 7 o'clock. 8:30, 9. Get home, get supper ready. It'd probably be about 10:30 or so. Get to bed about 11. Get about 5 hours, 6 hours of sleep like we did last night. Get up 5:30, go do chores and get ready for church, and come home, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Probably edit videos all while I'm at home. I don't know. But I'm always up early, always. I wouldn't know what it's like to sleep in. I wouldn't even know what it's like to have a weekend. People are like, have a good weekend. I'm like, huh? What's that? Just remember, we're the ones that feed America. Without farmers, you don't have nothing. And we just keep on going. I can tell you, we'll probably go for... Just got that to finish, this little 2 acres, and there's 6 acres out back to finish. There's the cart. Other trucks over there, and there's this one here. Into the night we go. Just like I was talking about earlier, shut my lights off so I didn't blind them. Does it help shutting the lights out so I don't blind you?
Yeah, that's fine, Trev.
Okay, I didn't know. Question answered. Did you guys know that if you shut all the lights off and everything, that you can just see as plain as day? Well, it obviously isn't going to come up on the camera worth the darn, but I can see the truck right in front of me. I can see the stack over there that the guys have made with the wood, the wood to sell from the trees. And I can see that oil well in front of me, or the oil well tanks. Into the night we go. That auger light really helps. This is what farming is, working long hours. Me and this box have a love-hate relationship. Love it for some things, hate it for others. But this and the semi move a lot of grain. I know a lot of the big farmers load semis this way, especially the hopper bottoms. Have the grain cart and a combine dumping it onto one truck. This thing's doing pretty good for only burning a little bit of fuel today. But that helps it even better. Just shut the thing completely off. I just enjoy sitting here and listening to nature and everything, the crickets and just all that kind of stuff. There ain't no sense in sitting here with lights on burning electric. There. Much better. Now they're getting tough and we're just trying to plow through it, get done so we can take the combine home and call it a night. Last load, I'll go what he's got in the combine will be it, and I'll just park this somewhere out of the way so we can go home tomorrow or Monday. And I am.
If you get done, start the truck.
Okay, I'm done for the night. We're done.